If you're spending money on ads without knowing what actually drives ticket sales, you are gambling. You're not marketing. So, if you're running paid campaigns for events, festivals, or experiences, this is for you. Let me show you how you can fire up a Metapixel and connect your Google Analytics from the Ticmint dashboard. You go to website and then you go to configure website. You go to the tracking section here and you click the edit button on the top right corner and you plug in your Google Analytics and your Metapixel to get full visibility of your funnel. Now, most organizers know how many tickets they sold, but they don't know where buyers come from. So when you connect the Metapixel and your Google Analytics, you have full visibility of your funnel. So you know which audience convert, which creatives are driving sales, and which channels deserve more budget. Instead of guessing where to spend money, you can now make decisions using real data. Don't optimize for clicks, optimize for ticket sales.